Welcome back to HandiWorks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful embroidery pattern on cotton fabric. This elegant needlework can be used to enhance dress bodices, sleeves, tablecloths, and more. Let's get started. Begin by cutting a square piece of fabric to your desired size. Using graph paper and a heat erasable pen, carefully draw a grid on the fabric. Aim for precision with 6 by 6 mm squares. This grid will be our trusty guide as we embark on our stitching journey. While I'll be using an embroidery hoop for stability, it's entirely optional. Anyone can tackle this project with or without one. Begin by stitching a running stitch along the grid lines. Each stitch should cover half of the square. This foundational stitch is crucial for the pattern we'll be creating. I'll be using my adjustable lap and desktop embroidery hoop stand for comfortable and relaxing stitching with free hands. It provides stability and flexibility, accommodating various sizes of embroidery hoops and frames. If you're interested in these embroidery essentials, you can find them on my Handy Store website at handystore.shop. After completing the running stitch, start weaving the same threads through the running stitches. This will create a woven effect that adds texture and dimension to your design. This embroidery pattern is a fantastic way to add a personal and elegant touch to your sewing projects. Whether you're enhancing your clothing or creating unique home decor items, this versatile technique will surely impress. After completing the design, gently iron the fabric to remove any creases and erase the grid lines quickly and easily. Feel free to experiment with different fabric and thread colors to suit your style. Try dark fabric with light threads for a striking contrast. Let your creativity soar as you bring this stitching pattern to life.